Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how to export your Telegram contacts. So let's begin. Launch a Telegram app and ensure it's up to date. Tap on the three-line icon and select Contacts. This will display all your contacts who are already on Telegram. You can tap on any contact to send a message. To manually add a new contact, tap on the plus sign icon and enter the details. Tap on Create Contact. If you're experiencing a glitch or bug, you might need to add the contact through your phone's contact list first. After adding it to your phone contacts, open Telegram again and add it to your Telegram contact list. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!